Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the 5x7 Hazel Ruggable Rug. Definitely the best quality about a ruggable rug is that it is washable. So as you can see here, all I have to do is peel this top layer off of the base. And this base is interchangeable with different top pieces. So that means I could own multiple different styles and I can just use it with the same interchangeable base. This goes right into the washing machine, so the rug can always look clean, which is a huge problem for rugs that are not washable. It's nearly impossible to get them clean. It attaches here with a simple Velcro patch, and then on the back you have your ruggable tag, and it also comes with obviously the non-slip, so you won't have to worry about purchasing an additional piece for that. It also will stay in place. So a big problem I have in my house is that like my rug pad on other rugs, they will move around and will slip. My kids will move them, but on my ruggable rugs, that's not an issue. So eventually we'll have all ruggable, but for now, this is a product that I feel like it's great for kids. It's great for people with pets. They have so many different cute patterns, and this is a product I definitely recommend.